Hello students, today we are going to learn how to solve systems of two equations by the substitution method, elimination method, and graphing method. Just recall a system is at least two equations with two variables. Example 1. We're going to solve all these examples, but the first one is going to be by substitution. Okay, so here's our system. When we solve by substitution, I prefer to write this separately, not vertically like this. So I will rewrite the system by separating the system. What you want to do when you solve the system by substitution, try to check which variable is the easiest to isolate. I notice this variable y is the easiest to isolate because the coefficient of y here is -1 versus this is 2, 3, and 2. So let's subtract 2x from both sides. So we have -y equals -2x plus 10. Multiply everything by a negative. That way we will have y by itself. So after we do that, I'm going to substitute this information right there. This is now going to be 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 10 equals 1. So what I did was I substituted this information for y in this equation. So let's distribute. This is 4x minus 20 equals 1. Combine like terms. 7x minus 20 equals 1. Add 20 to both sides. 7x equals 21. And again, going back to algebra 1, x equals 3. Now I will substitute this information, x equals 3, back into this equation here. So now what's going to happen is we are going to now find y. So y will equal 6 minus 10, y will equal -4. So that means our solution for this system is a coordinate point. So our solution will be 3, -4. What you can do to check if your answers are right is just substitute these values back in for x and y into both. It has to work, the point has to work for both equations for this to be solution for the entire system. So when you substitute 3 and -4 in, you will get 10 and 1.